Nigeria is a land of beauty, sunlit skies, rhythms that move the soul, a people with heart, villages where everyone is known, cities that never sleep, a nation meant to rise higher than this. Then insecurity came, but it didn't arrive in a day. It crept in, quietly. Corruption, no jobs, poverty, leaders who forgot the people. A country divided by those who crave power more than peace. Distrust took root. Fear spread. Then came the guns. From the deserts of the north to the forests of the east. Groups emerged. Some cried religion. Some cried marginalization. Some cried politics. Some were just hungry and angry. Bandits. Kidnappers on the highways. Unknown gunmen in the villages. Terror everywhere. Villages burnt. Families scattered. Dreams buried. All because a few discovered that violence brings power. But let us not forget who suffers most. Not the politicians with convoys and security, but the mother clutching her children at night. The father who can no longer farm his father's land. The student whose classroom is now ash. The youth who wants to live, but is surrounded by death. Ordinary people are paying the price. But Nigeria is not weak. We bend, but we do not break. Men still stay awake to guard their communities. Teachers still teach. Traders still open their shops. Families rebuilding from rubble. Youth who refuse to pick up guns. There is still heart in this nation. Strong heart. A new generation will soon rise. Tired of fear. Tired of excuses. Tired of leaders who speak, but do not act. They will choose unity over tribalism. Knowledge over violence. They will choose to build, not destroy. Their mantra will be, "This land is ours, and we will protect it." Insecurity is not Nigeria's end. It is only a chapter. A painful one. But chapters end, stories continue. And the Nigerian story is far from over. The sun still rises. And Nigeria will rise with it. No darkness can stop the light. No force can stand against a people ready to move forward. So help us God.